Hi, I'm Blair here. Today we're going to explore the permission management with NexoPOS. Indeed, it has a built-in feature which lets you manage what a user can do over the system. This helps you to restrict access to some feature which should be reserved to the administrator or the store owner. So, how can you manage permissions on NexoPOS? It's a simple task which can be made using the Permission Manager module included on the script. Before getting started then, we need to check if the module is available and enabled on the module list. So, let me access to module list and search for Permission Manager. Here is that. Okay. Now the module should be enabled. And once it's done, there will be a new submenu added to the user menu. This menu will take you to the Permission Management UI. So let me access to that page, Users, then Permission Manager. Okay. As you can see here, we have a table of all permissions, including all existing roles. What is a role on NexoPOS? A role is an attribute granted to a user which gives him access to certain permissions. The permission himself is the capacity to be able to achieve something on the system. It might be creating users, creating items, and so on. Okay? For the meantime, it's not possible to create dynamically roles, but we've provided various roles which can be customized as you want. Okay. Now let me explain you the permission table list. On the side, we have the permission names with namespaces. The following columns here has role names and checkboxes. These checkboxes let us know whether the role on top has access to that permission when it's checked. Okay. Most of existing permissions are self-explanatory, and if there is a permission which seems unclear for you, please let us know. Okay. We'll use this permission manager to restrict access to the pay button for the master role, but you can use it for the cashier role or the chief role, only available with guest role. Okay, so let's search for pay within the permissions, and okay, here is that. Now under the master column, I'll make sure the permission is unchecked. Okay, now before moving away, we need to save the setting on top. You will receive a confirmation once it's done. Okay, now let me check the POS to see if the pay button is no more available for the master role I'm using. So POS, and let's see. Okay, here no more pay button. Okay, but if I change back the configuration on the permission manager, the pay button will appear once again. So let me search for pay and then check the master group and save it. Okay, now let me go back to the POS, and as you can see here, we have the pay button. Okay, well, that's how you can manage permission on NexoPOS. Thank you for watching this.